This is Matt Furey with Psycho-Cybernetics 365 Official. Today's topic, the only time positive thinking works. Before we dive into it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. From the preface of Psycho-Cybernetics, Updated and Expanded. Self-image psychology has not only been proven on its own merits, but it explains many phenomena that have long been known but not properly understood in the past. For example, there is today irrefutable clinical evidence in the fields of individual psychology, psychosomatic medicine, and industrial psychology that there are success-type personalities and failure-type personalities, happiness-prone personalities and unhappiness-prone personalities, health-prone personalities and disease-prone personalities. Self-image psychology throws new light on these and many other observable facts of life. It throws new light on the power of positive thinking, and more importantly, explains why it works with some individuals and not with others. Positive thinking does indeed work when it is consistent with the individual's self-image. It literally cannot work when it is inconsistent with the self-image until the self-image itself has been changed. Let's take a deep dive into the power of positive thinking. First, let's take a look at when it doesn't work. One of the explanations I give many people is an affirmation that you are told to rid yourself of the procrastination habit. It's a 3-word affirmation. Do it now. And if you say it with a lot of enthusiasm, do it now, do it now, do it now, do it now. It's supposed to get you into action and overcome your tendency to avoid and procrastinate doing the things that you believe you need to be doing. But if you ask yourself, when you say this, does it work for you? And the answer I get from many people is that it doesn't work. In fact, the opposite. It makes you go deeper into avoidance and procrastination. Well, how could that be? You're giving yourself a command, you're using positive self-talk, but yet you're still delaying the getting done of what it is you say you're going to do. Well, if we look at self-image psychology and the teachings of Dr. Maltz, the answer is really obvious. There's an inconsistency with what you're saying and what you're picturing in your mind's eye. When you're saying do it now, you're not seeing yourself doing it now. So therefore, no results. But what if we change this? What if you're focused on the mental image, not the self-talk, the mental image? You see a mental picture of yourself being finished with your goal. A goal you have set for today. Let's make it easy. Don't give yourself a 20-year goal. Let's give yourself a goal for today. You see yourself completing that task. You even see yourself celebrating having completed that task. And now as you're sitting in your chair, visualizing yourself being done, you're saying to yourself, do it now, do it now, do it now. Check it out. See if it works for you. I'm betting it does. This is why the self-image is primary. So many people have you focused on positive self-talk, on affirmations, and so on. But the self-talk is not the key that unlocks the door to your greatness. The self-image is. It's the picture you have in your mind of yourself getting things done. If you combine self-talk with that image, making the image primary, you will get the feeling that you need to get off your duff and make things happen. Before I sign off on today's video, I want to encourage you to leave your comments below. Also, and more importantly, in the coming new year, 2025, I have some workshops coming up on goal getting and building a positive self-image that gets better and better no matter what your age. In order to get the notifications about them, you will definitely want to be subscribed to my emails at Psycho-Cybernetics.com. Go there now.